If you're designing or manufacturing equipment, you know that inconsistent electrical power can wreak havoc on your product. Maybe you've already dealt with failed components, warranty issues, or a customer's costly downtime. In a world where precision and uptime are critical, your system requires better surge protection. Whether you're making sensitive medical equipment, point-of-sale systems, automated testing simulators, or security systems, you need surge protection you can rely on. Protection that integrates seamlessly into your product design and operates continuously without degradation. Our OEM modules are available in several configurations to meet your specific needs. Our 5-amp DIN rail module provides a smaller footprint and can be used when DIN mounting is necessary. Our 8-amp module is a slimline design on an aluminum chassis. Our 20-amp module is recommended when your product will be running on 120 volts and requires the full capacity of 15 or 20 amps. Our 240-volt module is for equipment that will be used internationally in 120-volt or 240-volt environments. With zero surge, you can rest easy. Our modules are non-sacrificial and don't degrade with use or over time, providing consistent protection for the entire lifespan of your product. So, if you want to eliminate the risk of surge-related downtime and ensure your products are protected, it's time to integrate Zero Surge's OEM modules into your design. Visit zerosurge.com to learn more and find the right solution for your equipment.